Hi everyone, my name is Komal Kavar and today I am going to share with you how did I learn English? How did I learn English and what I do for learning English? Like what I do every day for learning English and for speaking also. Okay, so today I am going to share my English journey, whatever I have learned and from where I have learned. I am going to share in this video. So please watch this video till the end. When I started learning English for the first month, like 1 month, I used to listen only English. I used to listen English podcast and I used to only listen. I didn't used to write anything. No, I didn't do that. I only did. I used to listen many I watched many podcasts. Yeah, and now not now. And then I started write something like basics vocabulary and first yeah guys, like about me, like what I have done to learn English. I used to write vocabulary, like English words, what we do every day, like uh, what we call something in English. Like first I used to write consistency, more meditation and motivation, and cow. Like I used to write English words. I used to write English vocabulary, and this is my book. Let me show you. This is my book, and I had write many vocabulary. You can see. You can see. Let me show you from the back camera. Okay. Let me show you. Please don't focus on my handwriting. It's not good. Right now it's good, but like see this. I think this is not my first book, first English book. I had lost that book, so this is my second book, and like in the first page, what I have written. Let me show you. This is what I have written here. Like these are some vocabulary I had written here. Noun, pronoun. This is. Look here, and this. Look here. Formal greeting and informal greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and bonjour. We can say also bonjour. Every time, like all time, we can say bonjour, bonjour. I think bonjour. Okay, so like this is my book. Let me show you. This is my book, and it's all full. Like you can see what I have done. This is the ending. And look here. This is tongue twister. I'll make another video for this, but today I just wanna tell you this. So guys, this is my second book. I think this is my second book, and it's full right now. And now I have another books. I'll show you in the next video, because if I show in this video my those books, so it will be long. It will take so much time. I don't want to make a long video. Okay, so I will make another video for that, and in that video I will show you my another books, another notebooks. Okay, so like I had written this for the first, like let me repeat this. For the 1 month I used to listen English, listen podcast, and then like second month I started writing, and I used to I didn't quit it. I didn't quit that vocabulary. only write. I didn't only write that. I used to revise that vocabulary every day. Every day. Every day I used to write. And I was be consistent on that. Okay, so this is my second book, and I had written this. These all I used to revise, and nowadays I also revise that. Not every day I don't revise it every day. I revise after 5 days or 1 month. I revise that. Okay, and because revise is very important, guys. When you revise something, like whatever you have written, whatever you have written in your notebook, when you revise that, it is stuck in your mind, and for the long time it will be in your mind. I don't just focus on my English. Okay, I think you have understood what I wanna say you, what I wanna share with you. Okay, so now, and I used to write small sentences like I am going, I go to I go to school, and like these kind of sentence I used to make. and and guys, like I have many things to tell you that how I learned English, but I cannot tell you everything in this video. I'll make another video for that, and I will share you from where I have learned English, and I'll share you everything. I'll share with you everything, like what I want to share with you. I'll share everything with you. Okay, so now comes on the topic. Now let comes on the topic. Okay, so what you can do for learning English is listening, speaking, and writing. If now you will say that, Komal, we don't know English, so how we can speak out loud? Let me ask you one question. If you don't know English, so why are you watching my video? Why are you watching my video? If you don't know the English word, any single of any, if you don't know, like if you don't know English, so how are you listening to my video? How can you listen my video? Because I am speaking in English. you know you know English, that's why you are listening, and you can understand whatever I am saying. So you know English, you understand English, but you are not able to speak English. Why you are not? Because you are not opening your mouth. You don't open your mouth, that's why you are not. And and so the guy, so if you wanna speak English, if you want to learn speaking English, so you have to just open your mouth. Because guys, let me tell you my condition, that I was from RBSC board, and I didn't know English. I didn't know English. I didn't know the any single word of English. Like, I was from RBSC board, and I was from Hindi medium. So I used to think that English is not important. English is not important. We should not learn English. It will only it will like 12th क्लास तक ही रहेगी इंग्लिश हमारे साथ, और उसके आगे इंग्लिश हमारे साथ नहीं रहेगी. बट आफ्टर 12th क्लास आई यूज टू watch English, like I used to scroll, so I used to listen everywhere English words, not English word I used to listen. So from that I thought that everybody is speaking English, and you don't know the any single word of English. So from that I thought that, like, let's learn English, and I promised myself that I'll learn English in 1 year, and I did that. And I did that, guys. I can say that I did that. It took me 1 year for learning English. Okay. And guys, if you are thinking that And guys, if you are thinking that we can learn English in 2 months, 3 months, no, you cannot learn English in 2 months, 1 month, because you have to give your 1 years and 6 months you can learn. In 6 months you can learn, but you have to be consistent. You have to listen, you have to speak out loud, you have to record yourself and see how are you speaking. And then then analyze your English, that where you are making mistake. Okay, so record yourself and speak out loud. And then okay, let me tell you, if you are learning English, so you have to learn tenses. No, I'm not saying that learn whole grammar. No, I'm not saying that. Just learn tenses. Tenses are easy, yaar. I think tenses are easy. Very easy tenses. Tenses are very easy, and tell you I'll tell you that from where you can learn tenses. I'll not teach you tenses, I will not teach you. I'll just give you a channel name. From that you can take classes and you can learn from that, because I had also learned from that. Yeah, I had learned from that, and I used to revise the tenses every day. I used to revise that, and for the fun 2 months I used to revise and I used to write that. And after that I started speaking English, not fluently. Right now I am speaking, this is not a fluent English, I know, but little bit. It can be little bit. Okay, so I used to revise, I used to write that method in my rough book. Rough, yeah, I used to write and I used to recall in my mind. And guys, I know you have watched many videos of English, that from where we can learn English, you can learn English. And you found a video. In that video somebody is talking about that tenses are not like grammar is not important. Yeah, whole grammar is not important, but tenses are very important. From tenses you can learn that is this sentence is like this sentence is past, future or present. You can learn that if you know that. If you don't know, so how you can. So tenses, learn tenses. And I learn tenses. Okay guys, see you in the next video with a new topic, with tenses topic. I'll not teach you, I'll tell you a channel name, and I will tell you some channel that, like, from where I learned English. I cannot tell. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for giving me your precious time. And okay, bye, and keep growing and keep learning English. Don't quit it. Quit it. Okay? You can be fluent also. You can also be fluent and you can also learn English.